Good morning. In previous tutorial we haven't attached our health system to our player and we didn't create a health bar for our player, so let's do it now. So let's go to our scripts and we have here our health system. So let's move it here, and our max health is 10 and we still didn't create our health bar for our player, but in previous episode we created one for our zombie, so we can use this one. But first let's delete the other zombie to not get confused, and let's mark the canvas, Ctrl D, let's move it out, and in this canvas let's change our not sorting layer, render mode to screen space overlay. Let's move to our HP background and let's change the scale back to 1 in X and Y direction. Okay, so you see it now, it's our health. It's our health graphic, how we imported it. So we need to make some work on that, but first let's create a panel here in the UI. So let's move to the panel and let's change how our this is when we choose one of this one, it's where we attach our panel. So let's attach it to the left top corner. If you press Alt and or Shift, you can see different options of how it will be positioned. First, let's just change our positioning to the left side, and let's change our width and height. For now, it's automatically chosen our resolution for our graphic, the same one we have here of our game view. So let's change it to like 200, and on from the top, so let's make 300 on 200. Okay, let's move our panel to the top left, and to do it automatically, as I said, now we are our constraint is in the left top bottom corner, but to be moved, let's press Alt and left click. Okay, so here this will be our panel for our UI information for our player. So let's move our HP background to be side of our panel, and let's do a similar trick on our player. So let's the keyboard option to change. Let's press Alt, left click, and our health bar is moved. So now I don't want it to be touching the top of the screen. So, but before that, let's change the size of our HP bar. So let's choose here. If you press Alt and do left click, as you can see, our HP background got extended. But we have to do the same trick for our mask and for our fill inside. Okay. Sorry. Here and our fill here. Okay. Now we've got HP bar, but I think it's too fat, I would say. So maybe we can manipulate with the height. Let's change our height to be, okay, maybe let's do it different. Let's change our mask, Alt Shift here, and let's change it here, and let's change the fill. That way it will adjust automatically to the size of our HP background container for our health bar. So now if we fix that, we can change it like to 50. Yeah, I think it will be good. Here you have the position from the top of your screen. Let's make it 25. Sorry, size of the height bar is 50. So if you put minus 25, it will be touching top corner. So we can make it like minus 40, as it was before. Let's change our panel. Here in the alpha, let's change it to, because we don't want to see background for our panel for now. Okay. Okay, this is our health bar. So now our health bar to be updated from our health system, We just need to go to the player, and here in the mask we need to move our mask to our mask object. We have coded in our script. Okay, so that's it. And now if our mask fill will be changed, what we have coded in our script before, our health bar will be changed. Okay. So that will almost be working, but still we are missing, as you can see here, a collider. So let's add one. Circle collider 2D. Now, and let's go to the scene. Let's focus on our player. And here, as you can see here, our circle collider is too big, and we'll have issue when we are going to shoot, because as you remember, we have fire point here. For now, I want our collider on our player to not collide with our bullets. Of course, we can go to the options and then we can make our bullets to not collide with our player collider, but we will do that in the later episode when we decide how our gameplay should look like. So for now, let's change let's change the collider, circle collider. So here, if you press this one, you can see how your circle collider will look like. And now let's change our radius. Let's change to 0.3 maybe. Yeah, or maybe not too big. Let's change it into Z direction, Y direction. Something like that, maybe a little bit smaller. Let's put it 25, 0.25. Yeah, that will be nice. Okay, let's keep it like that. Okay, so now when we will get hit, we will take damage, our circle collider will be notified, and in the function take damage in our health system, our player will take damage, health will be lowered, and the health HP bar will be updated. So that's all for this episode. Thank you.